Political temperature is soaring in the city of Hyderabad. On the second day of high-profile BJP campaigning in the city of Nawabs, UP Chief Minister is on the campaign trail for the December 1st Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation polls. He is now holding a roadshow in Malkajgiri, Hyderabad, and will address the locals later. Tomorrow, Union Home Minister Amit Shah will also hit the campaign trail. He will visit Bhagya Lakshmi Temple adjacent to Charminar and will address the press conference there. We're cutting across to Ashish joining us live for more. Ashish, here Yogi Adityanath's campaign begins in Hyderabad. Hundreds of BJP karyakartas there following the campaign trail, making this look like a pompous affair. But what's the traction do you get from the actual voters, the true Hyderabadis on ground? We understand that Yogi Adityanath has cut through the trail or the bastion of Asaduddin Owaisi as well. What was the real reaction coming in from people, the residents there?
So Nabila, we are in the road show of Bharatiya Janata Party, and the way people have come in and they have extended their support to the party, it clearly says that BJP has in fact captured and in fact got the attention here in Hyderabad. Earlier party used to never been seen as this much or this kind of support. It never witnessed this kind of support. Never the party witnessed. Currently, this roadshow has reached at the end point, and now we are expecting that Yogi Adityanath, the star campaigner for the party and Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, he might address a brief address. However, he'll do here in Hyderabad at this particular point. Later today, he'll hold a public meeting in Hyderabad Parliamentary Constituency. Remember, Hyderabad Parliamentary Constituency is being represented. It is Hyderabad MP is Asaduddin Owaisi, and there Yogi Adityanath, he will address a rally later at around 8 p.m. So this road show, if we talk about, we talk about this particular road show. This road show was almost 3 kilometers long, and it took almost 3 hours to reach 3 kilometers. So clearly, it clearly shows that BJP has bought all these its party supporters here for this road show, and the way party is canvassing this election, campaigning in this election, it also clearly shows their big Hyderabad plans. Hyderabad municipal election it looks like that their primary target is Hyderabad municipal election, but majorly the party is targeting 2023 assembly polls. Remember, in 2023, when Telangana will go for polls, and the way party has brought is senior leaders, star campaigners here, the way the party is canvassing and campaigning in this election, this municipal election, this small election, in fact, it clearly shows that party is targeting 2023 assembly polls.
Absolutely, Ashish. Thank you very much for joining us. A massive campaign there heating up ahead of the municipal polls in Hyderabad, stage that's being set by the BJP ahead of their assembly polls in West Bengal, and of course making their inroads in Telangana ahead of Telangana's assembly polls, which are still 2.5 years later, but yet solidifying their ground.